Hi guys, so now we are here with Tanguy and Pamina. Nice to meet you guys. First of all, tell me your job and your project in this Via Falchi.
Hello everyone, I am Pamina. I'm working in sales currently. I've been working in the eyewear industry for about 8 years. And I'm basically here to explore and get a bit more into the world of AI.
Yeah.
So I'm using it at a very basic level, but I'm very interested in it.
Hello, my name is Tanguy. 4 years ago, I created an e-commerce that sells prevention products, and I've been into AI by this first company, and by implementing AI in my own process, it started to interest some others company, and right now I'm doing both this business and automation business agency.
Yeah. Guys, tell me your first sensation and impression for this nature, these events and this place.
Wow, it's beautiful. Look at this tree.
Yeah.
It's like there is snow, and it's a real paradox that we are in nature that way, and talking about some technological topics. I really like it.
Yeah. It's a perfect combination, I think. Yeah. Basically, you're talking about tech, but also having like the right dimension in which to do it to compensate everything that comes from screens and working constantly on your computer and stuff. You are already in the perfect environment to compensate that, I think.
Pamina, Tanguy, complete the sentences. For you, AI is?
Intention.
For me, AI is a tool.
Perfect. Guys, thank you for your time and enjoy it.
Okay.
Thank you.